Yeah, good morning, students. In column நம்ம arguments பத்தி பார்த்தோம், function arguments பத்தி பார்த்தோம். அதில் 4 types உண்டு. ஒன்று the required arguments, இன்னொன்று the keyword argument, இன்னொன்று the default argument, the fourth one is called as the variable and the arguments. So I give an example how to define a function. கொஞ்சம் கவனமாக கேளுங்க சரியா. So define. So def is nothing but it is used for defining the function. Def is a keyword. Then followed by any name, function name. So I am giving as function underscore name. Any name you are giving. Okay. So for identifying the function, we'll be using the function name. So then it behind the bracket. Then it behind the bracket. So bracket is you have to pass some values. If you want to pass any values, you'll be using this bracket. Then followed by a colon. Okay. Then if you press enter key, 4 indentation முடிஞ்சு இது வரும் சரியா. So print, for example, I had to, for example, my name is so I want to print something. So how will you call the function? So to just call the function, give the name as function underscore name of without bracket. Okay. So the first line says it is the function definition without parameter. Without parameters. Okay, function definition without parameters. So if I run this, okay, I'm giving name as function demo. Okay, so if I run this, press F5, your output will be like this. Okay, fine. So because there is no parameter inside this bracket. Okay. So next example, I'm copying this. Some value you are going to pass. So function definition with parameters. Okay, now listen. So you know what is, so here this is the function call. Here, from here we pass values. Okay, so that is nothing but they are called as arguments. Now you are going to pass a value. So any kind of value you can pass. Okay. So for example, I'm passing my name is Sumesh. Okay. So this argument is passed in a variable. In a way, for example, I have the variable called string1. So this is nothing but this is called parameters. So str1 is nothing but it is a parameter. Okay, parameter. And here we say this Sunish is an argument. Hope you got it. Sunish is an argument. So நம்ம என்ன பண்ண போறோம்னு சொன்னா, I am passing this Sunish to this variable str1. Now if I print this str1, okay, str1. Now I am first line I am deactivating. Okay, first line deactivating. So if I run this, you'll be getting like this. My name is Sunish. Okay, so this is called, we say this is how you pass values. Any doubt in this? Okay, the doubt in the message. Okay, so as you know, there are 4 types of argument. One is, first is called as the required arguments. Okay, now I'm giving another example. Def fruits. Okay, within bracket we are passing this value. We are defining a function. Now I am printing. I'm giving a function called print I'll print something. Okay, print. Okay, fine. Okay, so next you are giving the function name called the fruits. Fruits of. Fruits of. Okay, so for example, bracketக்குள்ள எதுவுமே இல்லை, bracket இதுக்குள்ள எதுவுமே இல்லை. For example, I am giving this one variable called uh, a1. Okay, I am giving the variable called a1. Okay, now here the I am giving the passing, I am giving a message, hello, I am hello, I am a1. Hello, I am a1. Okay, now listen what happens if you run this program. It shows an error. It shows an error. Why it shows error? Because in the function call, this is called, this is called as a function call. In the function call, you have to pass some values. You have to, so this is called, we say it is a record, or record kandipa something should be passed. Something should be passed. So I am giving a name called I am Sunil. Okay, some name I am giving here. Okay, so this is called record argument. So if I run this, hello, I am Sunish. Okay, so நம்ம இப்போ இங்கே நம்ம a1 நம்ம வேல்யூ நம்ம கொடுத்துட்டு we are not pass anything, we are not pass anything, shows an error. So for example, I want to pass more than one value. So what I do is, I give another example, def a1 comma a2, def a1 comma a2. So எப்படி நான் பண்ணுறேன்னா, giving a message, I am eating some message, I am eating, I am giving an apple, comma, so next string is called as the mango. Okay, NGO, mango. Okay, so here what you do is a1 comma a2, a1 comma a2. Okay, this is how you pass two values, a1 comma a2. So I am eating apple and mango. This is called, we say, it is a required arguments. So நம்ம எவ்வளோ values நம்ம pass பண்ணுறோமோ அவ்வளோ values நம்ம எங்கே கொடுக்கணும் சொன்னால், we are to given this function definition. So function definition takes how many parameters? Two parameters. Okay, so here also we will be having two arguments. So what are the arguments here? This apple and mango. Here what are the two parameters? A1 and A2. Okay, any doubt in this? Okay, this is called required argument. So when you see this explanation, required arguments are the arguments passed to a function in correct positional order. Okay, here the number of arguments in the function call should match exactly with the function definition. So அதான் நான் சொன்னேன், இங்கே ஒன் parameter கொடுத்துருக்கீங்கன்னு சொன்னேன், இங்கே நீங்கள் என்ன கொடுக்கணும், ஒரு ஆர்குமெண்ட் கொடுக்கணும். சாரி, இங்கே ஒரு ஆர்குமெண்ட் கொடுத்தீங்க, இங்கே ஒரு parameter கொடுக்கணும். இங்கே 2 argument கொடுக்குறீங்கன்னு சொன்னால் இங்கே 2 parameter கொடுக்குறீங்க. This is called, we say it as a required arguments. The second one, what is the second one? Keyword arguments. So keyword arguments, இப்போ இந்த ப்ரோக்ராமில் வந்து keyword வந்து writing a program. For example, def another name, for name of something. Okay, so bracketல வந்து we are giving print within bracket, giving my name is, okay, something given. Now next to or print statement கொடுக்கலாம், print my age is. Okay, print my age is. Okay, so என்ன பண்ணுறேன்னு சொன்னால், I'm giving this message called name நம்ம இப்போ கால் பண்ணுறோம். ஸோ திஸ் த ஆக்சுவல் ப்ரொசீஜர். இப்போ நத்திங் பண்ணாதனால என்ன, அங்கே deactivate this. Okay, I'm deactivating this line. Okay, so if I run, sorry. Okay, so okay, if I run this, இப்போ எரர் வராது உங்களுக்கு, அதை அப்படியே பிரிண்ட் பண்ணும். ஓகே, ஃபைன். நான் இப்போ என்ன பண்ணுறோன்னு சொன்னால், we are